Hi from Thailand. We're in a city called Chiang Mai, and today we have Scandinavian style condo, which is located in famous area called Nimman. So let's go and see together. And we are in. First, when we come inside, we see the kitchen. Kitchen fits here so well, and it make in one line. We have like gray color, white color, and blue glass in the middle. There are fridge, microwave, teapot, rice cooker, electrical cooker, and all dishes which you need. Next step, and we are in the living room. Living room divided on two zones. First of them, it's a sitting area. In sitting area, we have this wall with a TV and really nice and fun decoration. Look at this portrait of dog. And also we have, I don't remember the name of this thing. We say plastinka in Russian.
We say plug in Turkish.
Plug. So this old disc
yes.
musician.
I'll put it on edit.
Yes. And in front of it we have such a cozy and comfortable couch with a small table. You can see that this fancy interior is decorated with such a musician touch, because we have a guitar here and some decor which related to this topic. And the second zone is behind me. It's like a dining zone. We have a table, two chairs, and this back wall have done in two green colors, also two artwork, a lot of interior details, and it really takes your attention and makes you say whoa. So landlord played with the colors, textures, patterns so well, and it really matches Scandinavian style. And it's time to see bedroom. Bedroom is located at the left side. There is a big bed. It really feels comfortable. I like so much these bright accents on this bed, like blanket and tropical pillows. There exists a deep green wall behind me and two artworks. On the sides we have two side tables and night lighting. In front of the bed we have this big wardrobe which hidden inside the wall so well. But the coolest and unusual feature in this house for me, these two sliding doors. And it gives you a chance to play with the space as you wish. I feel like a Wonder Woman.
If you close both of them at the same time.
Yes.
Lena, take me in.
Okay, come on, let's see our bathroom. The bathroom is made in white and black colors. You can see on the wall, here is located white glossy and vertical oriented tile. And on the floor we have a black one, big square tile. And also the best and coolest stylish feature here, that this tile goes to the shower. On this side we have a big sink, cool stylish step, mirror with a LED special lighting, towel hanger and toilet. Also our landlord take care of us so much, because they put new teeth brushes and toothpaste. It's really cool when you are traveling, sometimes you forget it, so I love this so much. And also fun moment here that we have two doors, so one sliding door from bedroom and one more which lead us to the kitchen. Scandinavian style, one of my favorite one in the interiors. It has white walls, wooden floor, a lot of cozy details, bright patterns, soft textures, a lot of straight and simple lines and good lighting. All together creates this warm, cozy and positive atmosphere. But as I mentioned before, this is Condo, and Condo comes with the extra facilities. Can't wait to show you the pool.
Most probably you were expecting Lena, but you have me. Let's talk about the facilities. We have a gym with enough equipment to train, and we have this fantastic pool that I would like to jump right now.
This is
Sparta!
Lena 10 points for that Spartan kickflip. That was good. That was it for today. I hope you all liked the video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button and let us know what do you like the most about this Scandinavian style Condo. We'll see you in the next house tour. Bye bye.